If you're a working professional using AI to write emails, proposals, presentations, you don't just want help writing. You want the writing to sound like you. Smart, friendly, crisp, a little quirky maybe. But what do you usually get instead? Some bland, overpolished, slightly corporate robot speak. Here's why that happens. Most AI tools, including ChatGPT, are trained to sound neutral. Think of it like ordering from the default settings menu. You're getting the plain white rice version of writing. Clean, generic, but zero flavor. Now that's fine if you're sending out a basic template, but not fine if you're trying to build trust, pitch an idea, or sound human. The fix, the style guide prompt method. Think of it as giving your AI a mini crash course in you. You're basically saying, hey, here's how I write. This is my tone, my vibe, my structure. Learn this, and then write with me, not just for me. Here's how you set it up. One-time setup, long-term magic. Step 1, collect your voice. Grab 3 to 5 samples of your writing. Could be emails you've sent, a proposal intro, or even LinkedIn posts. Anything that makes you go, yeah, this sounds like me. Step 2, ask ChatGPT to analyze your style. Use this prompt. Analyze my writing style based on these samples. Identify tone, structure, vocabulary, and quirks. Paste your writing samples below the prompt and hit enter. Step 3, turn that into a reusable style prompt. Once ChatGPT gives you the analysis, ask, now create a reusable style guide prompt I can use to make ChatGPT write in this voice every time. Boom. You now have a custom instruction set, your personal brand voice cheat sheet. Next time you need to write anything, just start with, use my style guide and write an email about, just enter your topic, and you'll get content that sounds like you on your best writing day. Why this matters. When your writing feels like you, it builds trust. With clients, with teams, with anyone reading. If you need help creating your style guide prompt, I've dropped a starter template in the description to get you going. Set it up once, and write like yourself forever.
Hi, I'm Pri, here to drop the coolest updates, smart tutorials, and growth hacks that actually work. Hit follow and let's grow smarter together.